the agenda was to present the plan of disbursement of the 12-month salary to them. So basically, we had a discussion with the officials of the council as well, and in making a plan that how soon we can do, because now as we can see, the employees have joined back, and it's a very good thing, I think, for all of us. And with that, we also, as the subcommittee, want to ensure that the disbursement of this 12-month salary, which has been approved by the cabinet, happens as soon as possible. So we presented a plan to them. So the aim is, we are aiming to ensure that the disbursement happens by the middle of this month, by 15th of October. We are trying to ensure that by that time the disbursement can happen. So currently from the council side, they are preparing the salary statements and all. And once their salary statements and all are prepared, and whatever documentation updations are required, that is done, I think we should be in a position to then disperse the salary to the accounts of the employees.
Today we have resumed back our works. After 3 months of agitation, we have temporarily suspended our agitation in conditions. In case if the story flips, or in case if something bad happens, we might resume back our agitation. Today we have been called by the subcommittee members to discuss about the 12-month salary and the monthly salary from November. Though we are not happy, we are compelled to accept the 12-month salary, though it was not our demand. But regarding the monthly salary from November, I think we will need to talk with everyone. So we have left the discussion just like that, saying that we will think about it and talk about it later on.